More fun with VECTORWORKS. Changing view with number key. When you are working on VECTORWORKS, you may need to change view frequently. To change view, you can use Flyover tool, or select standard view from the pull-down menu, of course. But using number key on your keyboard, you can switch the view to your desired standard view more simple and easily. Each number key is assigned each standard view as followed. 2. Front view. 6. Right view. 8. Back view. 4. Left view. 1. Left oblique view. 3. Right oblique view. 9. Right rear oblique view. 7. Left rear oblique view. 5 or 0. Top view. As the key positions are corresponding to the view direction, you can easily imagine which key is which view. Let's see how it works actually on VECTORWORKS. Now we seeing plan from top. Hit 2, view is switched to front view. Hit 3, you see right oblique view. 6. Right view. 9. Right rear oblique view. 8. Back view. 7. Left rear oblique view. 4. Left view. 1. Left oblique view. 2. Front view again. And 5. Back to top view. Let's see again with another 3D model. 3. Right oblique view. 6. Right view. 9. Right rear oblique view. 8. Back view. 7. Left rear oblique view. 4. Left view. 1. Left oblique view. 2. Front view. 3. Right oblique view again. In addition, you can zoom out by pressing Command +2 and zoom in with Command +1. With Command +5, you will back to normal 2D plan. Press 3, now you see right oblique view again, but it's wireframes mode and orthogonal projection. With Command +Shift+G, you can change the rendering mode from wireframes to OpenGL. And if you want to change projection mode from orthogonal to perspective, select View Perspective at menu bar. With Command +Shift+W, you can go back to wireframes mode. It's so simple and easy, isn't it? Please try by yourself. That's all for now. See you at next video. More fun with VECTORWORKS. Have a nice day.